Right guys, so today I thought I'd have a crack at fitting the universal splitter that I've got. It's been sat here for a while. Alright, so let me show you what it is. Right, so there it is there. Alright, so you got the two side bits there. Alright, let's put them up there. So there's the two side bits. Alright, it's pretty decent quality for the universal stuff that you get off of eBay. I ain't going to complain, I just didn't want to pay hundreds of pounds for something I may or may not like. Alright, and there's the one piece centre bit. Alright, looking so far so good. Very good, very nice, as they say. Alright, so let's try and get it on. So there they are with the sides on at the minute. Alright, so there they are there. Right, so also that was on the cards, that's been sat here for a while, is some side skirts. Alright, so, oh no, don't want to press that. Let's have a look at the side skirts. So I went for the smaller ones. I believe these are 72 inches, I think they are. So I went for them. You've got some shrews, self-tappers. So yeah. So next on the cards are the rear spats. Alright, so there they are there. Alright, and they're going to sit just on this bit here, and if you look under there, there's a ridge. Excuse I haven't cleaned it. There's a ridge just there that the spats sit on. Alright, or sit flush against. Alright, so let's have a crack and getting these on. So as it stands at the minute, it's all on, it's all secure. Where the clamps are there, I've just added a bit of silicone just to secure them on this bit here, alright, so underneath. But apart from that, it's all relatively secure. Alright, so we'll let that dry for a bit and then see what happens. So I wasn't keen on the silicone holding the centre section to the outer bits on the splitter, and it got me thinking, what could I use, because I'm not keen on the support struts, the tie rods that everybody uses to support the splitter to the bumper. I'm not keen on those. And then it got me thinking about, if you're an old school skateboarder back in the day, there were such things as sex bolts, right? And pretty much it's these things here where one bit goes into the other, alright, and they split, and this is 2 Allen keys. So I got those just to see if it would work, and lo and behold it does. So let's go and have a look, shall we? So there they are there, alright, and they just split, or they just screw, not split, they just screw straight in through. So they're an 8mm bore, which is the female casing bit, and the 6mm thread by 15mm length, and yeah, just screw in, or just cut a hole in and screw them in, and Bob's your uncle. It's all nice and secure. So let's take him for a wash, because he needs a bit of a pampering. So let's take him for a wash and let's get some pics or some vids.